Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome to our first PU Computer Science online classes. In last class we know that we completed some conversion, that is from octal to decimal conversion or maybe decimal to our octal, any type of the conversion we completed here. Now let's, in today's class we are going to convert the conversion decimal to the hexadecimal conversion. Okay, ಯಾವ conversion ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, decimal to the hexadecimal conversion here. So in this case we can say that as we know that the same steps we need to follow. This step 1, divide the given decimal number by 16. So whatever the numbers are there, or we can say that consider a decimal, that means the decimal number 559 base of 10. We need to get the answer, that means whatever the answer is there need to show by using the hexadecimal. So decimal to the hexadecimal conversion, step 1, divide the given decimal number by 16. Step 2, note quotient and the remainder. Step 3, repeat step 1, that means divide it by 16, and step 2, that means here we can say that note the quotient and the remainder, and the first remainder is called as the LSB and the last remainder is called as the MSB. The equivalent hexadecimal number is going to write from MSB to the LSB, that is called as the left to the right. So all are the steps. So whatever the steps are there, the conversion from decimal to the hexadecimal, the same thing I need to follow here. Okay, now okay, the first of all about our 559. So we know that the question number 559, conversion decimal to the hexadecimal conversion, the first note, divide the given decimal number by 16. So when you are going to divide 559 by 16, that means here we can say that how much it will, that means here we can say that when you are going to multiply 16 into 34, if you are going to take 17, the number will be more. When you are going to compare 559, that means we need to take the value 16 only. So 34 into 16, the value will get as the 544. Correct no kya? So we can say that it will go from 34, that means here 16. Here we can say that when you are completing, when you are multiplying 16 into 34, the value will get as the 544 here. Now actual value is the 559. That means when you are going to subtract 559, subtract 544 here, the value, remaining value is the 15. Correct no here? So we can say that this is called as the quotient value and 15 that is equal to the remainder value. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು when you are going to multiply, that means here 35, the value will be more. When you are going to compare 559, that means it will go in 34. Correct no here? 34, 16 into 34, 544 here. So quotient 34, remainder is the 15. Now later again it is not equal to the quotient, not equal to 0. That means we know that here until the quotient becomes 0, we need to make the divide by 16. So when you are dividing 16 ones are 16 here, 16 twos are 32. Correct no? So 16 twos are 32. So what's the remaining? The remaining is the 2 in this case. So clear this point? The remaining is the 2. And now also the quotient value is not equal to 0. That means again we need to make the divide by 16. Correct no? Yakandre quotient value 0 no, it is not equal to 0. Now also some quotient value is there. The value 2 is there here. that means it is not equal to 0, so we need to make the divide by 16. Whether it will go here, no, it not going to it's not possible to divide, correct no kya? So we can say that now just only I am going to take the value 0 and later next one such 2 value I am going to write here. Clear this one? That means we completed the step 1, step 2 and also step 3 here. So step 1, divide the given decimal number by 16 here, note quotient and the remainder, and step 3 we can say that repeat step 1 and step 2 until the quotient value becomes 0, and the first remainder, or we can say that here the first remainder is called as the LSB. Clear this one? The first remainder is called as the LSB and the last remainder is called as the MSB. Okay, MSB here. So we know that because here MSB, how we are going to write? We are going to write or return from MSB to the LSB. So how I am going to write? 2 and not I am going to write as the 15, as we know that hexadecimal value, that means 0 to 9, but after the 9 how we are going to take the value? The digits A, B, C, D, E and F have decimal equivalent to maybe the A, okay, B, C, D, E and F till F, that means total value 0 to 9 total it has the digit 16, okay, 0 to 9 here, and A value is equal to 10, B value that means here B value is equal to 11, C value 12 here, D 13 and E value 14 and F value is the 15. Now what's the value? The value is the 15 here, so we can say that how we are going to write? The value will get as the 22F. Clear this point here? So this is the answer. So clear this one? 22F here. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು 15 ಗೆ F ಗೆ change ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? As we know that the digits, correct no? A, B, C, D, E and F have decimal equivalent to F value is equal to 15 or 15 value is equal to F. So I return the answer as the 22F. Clear this one here? So the answer 22F. Now as we know that now we need to convert to the decimal. So base of 16. So this is the answer of this question. So clear this point here? How we are going to convert? Okay, here the conversion, that is from the decimal to the hexadecimal conversion. And after completing the decimal to the hexadecimal conversion, now we'll go to complete the next example. The next example here also other conversion is there here. So now what's the question and what type of conversion we are going to do here? The conversion hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. Clear this point here? Hexadecimal, ಈಗ ಇದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಇಂದ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಗೆ now the conversion is changed here. So what's the conversion? That means the conversion hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. Clear this one here? Hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. As we know that the step 1, multiply each bit or each digit of hexadecimal number by its positional weight and all the products. So this is the step we need to follow. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ decimal to hexadecimal, divide the given decimal number by 16, note quotient, remainder and repeat step 1, step 2 until quotient becomes 0. First remainder call as the LSB, last call as the MSB and answer going to write as left to right, that is MSB to the LSB. E step idra. Clear this one? Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now the second conversion name, hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. Step 1, multiply each digit of a hexadecimal number by its positional weight. So hexadecimal number positional weight, positional value yaudu 16. Okay, add all the products. So now let's the question 5AF, okay, fractional D. So that means it's there in decimal. Now such one we need to convert to our from hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. So in this case we can say that means we know that maybe the fractional point is there, so we need to use the decimal. So multiply each digit of hexadecimal number by its positional weight. So 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 2. Clear this point here? 16 to the power of 2 here, and after the fractional 16 to the power of 1. After that no any values are there. Now just by using this value I am going to make the representation. Okay, so 5 into here 16 to the power of 2 plus 5 into 16 to the power of 2, a into later words will give the value for a. Now as it is I am going to use a into 16 to the power of 1, f into 16 to the power of 0 and d into 16 to the power of 1. Clear this one here? 16 to the power of 1 here, and later next one when you are multiplying here 16 2 times. Clear this one? This 16 2 times here. So how we need to take the value, how we need to make the multiplication 2 times. So 16 into 16 the value will get as the 256. Okay, the 256. So 5 as it is I am going to write, when you are going to take multiply 2 times here the value 256. Clear this one here? The value 256 in this case, and later next one after that plus, as we know that what's the value of the G? The G value is equal to 10. Okay, the G value is equal to 10. So now just I am going to convert the digit value of G, have decimal equivalent value is the 10. Clear this one? A into 1 times, so 16 plus, and what about the F value? The F value is equal to 15. Okay, the F value is equal to 15. So 15 into 16 to the power of 0, the value is 1 plus, as we know that the D value is equal to 13. Okay, the value is equal to 13. So 13 into 1 by 16. Clear this one? 1 by 16 here. So when you are using 1 by 16, the value is the 0.0625. Okay, the 0.0625. So e value hege bandadu namge 0.0625 1 by 16. Okay, so like that we need to take 1 by 16. Ade 16 to the power of minus 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 by 256. 16 ಅನ್ನು 2 times multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So clear this one? Just 16 minus 1, 16 to the power of minus 1, 1 by 16. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ second 16 to the power of minus 2, that means 16 2 times multiply ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ 1 by 256. Okay, yeah, and later next one after that now you have to make the calculation. So 5 into 256. Okay, 5 into 256, the value 1280 plus here later next one the next value 10 into 16, as we know that the value is 160 plus later next one 15 into 1, there is no any problem, the value is 15, and when you are multiplying 13 into 0.0625, okay, the value is the 0.8125. okay, the 8125, 0.8125. now all the value when you are going to add 1280 plus 160 plus 15 plus 0.18125, the value is the 455.8125. Clear this one? 1455.8125, and the conversion hexadecimal we already written hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. Okay, so this is the answer 1455. So this is the answer for our hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. So here when you are going to convert, that is from hexa to the decimal conversion, two very important steps are multiply each digit of hexadecimal number by its positional weight, that means hexadecimal number positional value is 16, add all the products, finally we need to write the base value also, that means from which to next which conversion we are going to make the conversion. Clear this point here? So 1455.8125. now after completing one conversion hexa to the decimal conversion. Now let's see the second example about our hexadecimal to the decimal conversion, and the question is the face. Okay, क्या FACE face, and such FACE question face. Okay, क्या hexadecimal number going to convert, that means from hexadecimal to the decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. As we know that multiply each digit of hexadecimal number by its positional weight, add all the products. So all are these steps or two important steps we need to complete while going to get the answer of the hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. So as we know that when you are going to take FACE, the positional value going to start no any negative point, everything in positive. So 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1, A value 16 to the power of 2, F value 16 to the power of 3. So ನಾನು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ FACE ಗೆ ಈ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಗ್ಯಾ? 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 2, 16 to the power of 3. Now after that I am going to take the value F into 16 to the power of 3 plus A into 16 to the power of 2 plus C into 16 to the power of 1 plus E into 16 to the power of 0. Correct here? So as we know that what about the A value is equal to 10, okay, B value is equal to 11, C value is equal to 12 and D value is equal to 13, E value is equal to 14 and F value is equal to 15. So we can say that the digit A, B, C, D, E and F have decimal equivalent to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, now we'll use the value, the F value, as we know that it's a 15. So 15 into 3 times we need to make the calculation 16, correct no kya? 16 into 16 into 16. So the value will get as the 4090. Idu hege bantu value? 16 into 16 into 16 into 16. 3 times, clear this one? 3 times. So the value will be 4096 here, plus as we know that the A value is equal to 10. So 10 into how many times we need to make the calculation? 2 times. So 16 into 16, the value is the 256. Okay, kya? 256 plus here C value is equal to 12. So just only I am going to write the value 12 into the value is the 16 one time only. Now just only last value is there. I am going to write, okay, you have to make the continuation after 16 here. So the first value 4096, A value is equal to 10, and when you are going to multiply 2 times 16 into 16, the value is 256. C value is equal to 12, correct? No, C value is equal to 12. So 12 into 1 time 16 and E value is equal to 14. Clear this point here? The E value is equal to 14. So 14 into just only the value is 1 only. Clear? The value is 1, and when you are going to multiply the 15 into the 15 value into 4096, okay, the 4096, the value is the 61440, okay, the 61440 E value hege bantu 15 into 4096 plus, and later next one the second multiplication 10 into 256. Clear this one? So the value 2560 plus 12 into 16. So 12 into 16, the value is the 192 here, and when you are adding 14 into 1, very simply we can say the value is the 14 only. So when you are going to add 61,440, 61,440 plus 2560, 2560 plus 192, that is 192 here plus 14, the value will get as the 64206, okay, 64206, and the conversion hexa to the decimal conversion, that means the base value is the 10. So clear this one? So this is the answer of our phase, that means we converted from the hexadecimal to the decimal conversion. So the answer 64206 converted to the decimal, that means we need to write the base value. So clear this point here. Okay, now after completing maybe our decimal to binary conversion, binary to the decimal conversion, or maybe decimal to the octal conversion, octal to the any binary conversion, each and everything we already completed from one to another, hexa to the decimal, decimal to the hexadecimal here. So like that we converted many conversion, correct? No, that means the number system from all types. It's possible to make the conversion from one conversion to the another conversion. Now let's, after completing hexadecimal to the decimal conversion, let's go to convert the next types here. That means the main question, octal to binary conversion. It is very important question, octal to binary conversion. So now let's, how we are going to convert from octal to binary conversion. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೈನರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ಬೇಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, octal base value is the 8 here, and binary base value is the 2. Okay, now let's first of all the detail, the explanation. Okay, here, so we can say that first of all octal to binary conversion. So to convert an octal number to binary number, replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. Clear the answer to everyone what I said? Again I want to repeat, again I am going to repeat the explanation about our octal to binary conversion. When you are going to convert any number that is from an octal number to the binary number, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ octal ಇಂದ binary ನಂಬರಿಗೆ, ಆಗ replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. Replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. Now in this case I want to use two columns. The first column name is the octal digit, the second column name is the binary digit. Okay, and octal positional value, as we know that the positional value of octal, of an octal, 8, correct? No, the positional value of an octal number, that is the 8 here, and the numbers, the digits are going to start from 0 to 7. So the same digit here I used 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 octal digit 0 to 7. Now each octal digit, or we can say that replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. Okay, now I am changing octal digit to the binary number, 3-bit binary number. So how I am going to use 0, 0, 0, 0. Very easily I am going to tell how to complete this value, 3-bit binary number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 0, 4, 1. Clear this point here? 4, 0, 4, 1. Later was 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1. Lastly 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Very easily we can complete. Clear this point here? Replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದಾದ್ರೆ very easily in simple manner we can complete 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Otherwise 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 11. Correct? No? 100, 101, 110, 111. So like that also we can complete. But easiest way 4, 0, 4, 1, 2, 0 in second column, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 2, 1 in third column, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So this way also you can use it very easily. Okay, now we know that this is from octal to binary conversion. Ellarige artha aita? That means we can say that convert from octal to binary, replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number. Okay, now we'll complete this solution, or we'll complete the question here. How to complete, how to get the solution to this question. Consider the octal number 456 base of 8 to binary conversion. Octal ಇಂದ binary ಗೆ convert ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So when you are going to complete this question, and when you are completing this question, first of all we need this table. Okay, without this table we can't complete here. If you know perfectly what's the value of each number, maybe 4, 100, maybe 0, 3 zeros. Clear this point here? If you know perfectly, then without table also you can complete. Clear this one here? Okay. Now just only for your easy way, I want to use this table here. So the question 456. Okay. Now first of all 4 value. 4 value means 100. So 100. Okay. 5. The value is 101. 101 here. And the 6 value is the 110. So 110. Now this is the answer of this question. So clear this point here very easily. Just by using table, if you know perfectly the table values here, then very easily to get the mark. Clear this point? Okay. So consider octal number conversion ಯಾವುದು octal ಇಂದ binary ಗೆ convert ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು 4. So 4 value 100, 5, 101, 6, 110. So like that. So finally we need to write the base value. Okay. 73. So 7 value 111. Okay. 3 value 011. 011 here. Fractional point we need to write it as it is 1001 001 here, and the 6 value is the 110, and later next one we need to write the base value. So we can say that this is the answer of 73.16 octal to binary conversion. So 7 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so this value 011, and fractional as it is I want to use, I used here also, and later 1 value is the 001 and 6 value is the 110. Clear this point here? Okay. Now last value 32. Now also the third question I want to complete, and the question consider octal number 32 octal to the binary conversion. So 3 value is the 011. Okay. The 3 value is the 011 here, and later the second value is about our 010. As we know that we converted from our octal to the binary conversion. So clear this point here? Artha aita ellariಗೆ ಈ conversion, that means the octal to binary conversion. The last question maybe the number is 42. Okay. Maybe the number is 42. How we are going to complete? First of all you have to take the fourth value. The value is 100, and the second value 010. So lastly we need to write the base value. So this is the answer about our octal to the binary conversion. Clear? No? First of all we need to use this table, and later we can convert from the octal to the binary conversion. After completing octal to binary conversion, now we'll go to complete the next conversion. The next conversion name is the binary to octal conversion. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಾವು just ಈಗ ಒಂದು conversion complete ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. The conversion name is the octal to the binary conversion, as we know that, and while going to make this conversion we need to use the table, and later replace each octal digit with appropriate 3-bit binary number 0000, 1001, okay, 2010 here, 3011, 400, 5 101, 6 110, and 7 111. So like that we completed the conversion from the octal to binary conversion. Now what about the conversion? How to make the conversion from binary to the octal conversion? Binary to octal conversion here. So before going to tell or say any conversion here, or before going to write the answer from binary to the octal conversion, the first explanation I want to tell, the explanation is the in binary to octal conversion we break the binary digit into a group of 3 bits. Clear this one here? So maybe the question is the 0010111. Okay. So this is the question 0010111. Now we are going to convert from binary to the octal conversion. So here we break the binary digit into a group of 3 bits. Okay. So 3 111 3 bits, 0 1 0 3 bits here. So just write it here, the value 0 0 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, the same question I completed here, and later we can say that we break the binary digit. This one is the binary digit value 0 1 0 1 0 1. Just by taking the 1 and 0 value, we can make the binary digit value, binary digit number. So we break the binary digit into a group of 3 bits, and starting from the binary point, that means we need to start from this point, clear? But some changes are there when you are going to use any fractional point. If no fractional point means you have to start from the right side, okay? So here 3 bit, and later 0 1 0 3 bit. Now 1 1 1 3 bits, 0 1 0 3 bits here, but now just 1 0 left, correct? No, the 0 value is left here. So how to complete? That means we can say that for whole numbers, WHOLE, for whole numbers, that means what do you mean by a whole number? When you are completing in one group 3 bits, that is called as the whole number. One group ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 bit complete ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು whole number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So for whole number, it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB level. Now 1 0 is there. Now how many zeros we need to complete in order to complete a grouping of 3? Now also we need the 2 0. Okay, 1 0 ಇತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? 3 ಬಿಟ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? In order to complete a grouping of 3, that means here 2 zeros we need to add. Now we can say that this is about our value. So clear this point here, the 3 bit value in this case here. So this is about our 3 bit value 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0. But also we can say that we need the values here. That means the values in this case, we can say that in this case we need the table here. So what about the table? As we know that the table 0 and the table 1 here, the table 2, correct? No here. So later next one, this is about our 1 2 0 1 2, and later 3 4 and 5. So like that I am going to write the value here, okay? 5 and later 6 and the 7. Now we need to take the value. So as we know that, first of all the 4 0 value we need to take, and 4 1 value we need to take here, correct? No, and later next one, after that 2 0 value, 2 1 value, 2 0 value, and 2 1 value we need to take. Finally 0 1 0 1, okay? 0 1 here, 0 1 and the 0 1. So like that all those value we need to take. So this is the value of the 0, this is the value of the 0 0 1, the value of the 2 0 1 0, the value of the 3 0 1 1, the value of the 4 100, the value of the 5 101 here, the value of the 6 110, the value of the 7 111. Okay, so this table we need after completing. So we can say that now we already grouped, that means in one group 3 bits are there. So for whole number it may be necessary to add a 0 in our MSB in order to complete a grouping of 3 bit. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬಿಟ್ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 1 1 1 ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 0 1 0 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ 0. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 you can add, okay, to complete a grouping of 3. So for whole number it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB. As we know that the left hand or leftmost bit is called as the MSB, the rightmost bit is called as the LSB. So without fractional idre illi add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So clear this one. Now when you are going to use, okay, 1 1 1, that means the value is the 7 0 1 0. So 0 1 0, the value is the 2 here, and later 0. So the value we can say that 0 2 7, and later we completed to the our conversion. The conversion is about the octal conversion. So clear this point here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? Okay, now let's the next question. So that means the first question answer 0 2 7 and converted to the octal conversion. Now later next one, the second question, we are going to complete. The second question is the consider the binary number 0.110111. Okay, so binary to the octal conversion, binary to the octal conversion. So now the question is the 0 and 110111. Okay, here now we know that here this is the fractional, correct? Now so 3-bit, or we can say that for fractional we need to take 110 111. So this side is called as the LSB. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 11 ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ 110 11. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಕೊಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ is that the value is 1. Okay, so you have to go in this manner. So clear this point here. ಈ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ you have to go in this manner. First of all you have to select 110 in one group 3 bit, 111 second group. Clear this point? And later here just 0 is that, so you have to add the 2 zeros, okay, to complete a grouping of 3. So now you have to move in this manner. Clear this point here. Fractional point idre ಆಚೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ 110 111, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ that means you have to add in MSB. So we can say that for whole numbers it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB in order to complete a grouping of 3 bit. And while representing the fraction, okay, while representing the fraction it may be necessary to add 0 in LSB in order to form a complete grouping of 3. Clear this point? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ fractional point ಇದ್ರೆ just only like that, how I used the arrow in this manner only, you have to move it, you have to complete a grouping of 3 bit. So 110 111 and 0. So now let's, what's the answer? The answer is 0 point. Now let's 110. What about the 110? So here the 110 the value is the 6 and 111 the value is the 7. So we can say that the answer is the 0.067 and we converted to the octal conversion 0.67. So clear this point here. Okay, now after completing the second question, now let's go to complete the third example. Okay, just only no any changes in conversion. The conversion name is the binary to the octal conversion only. Now in this conversion the question is the consider binary number 1101 and fractional 10111. Correct? No, I already given the arrow how to move, in which manner you need to move. That means we can say that for fractional you need to select from this point. Correct? No, and later here you need to select from this point. So first of all I am completing here in this manner. I want to complete here 101 in one group 3 bit. Now just one value is left, that means we need to add 20. Now I can say in this group 3 bits are that. What I did for whole numbers, it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB level, MSB side I added the 0. Clear this point here? So and later next one here after that. So e point ಗೆ e move ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, clear? So in this manner you have to move it 101 one group 3 bit, one just is left. Now I added 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros here and later next one. Now 101, now 11 is that we need to add 0. So clear this point here. So in this manner we need to move. So this one first of all I completed 101 1, I added 2 zeros. Okay, and after the fractional first I completed the grouping of 101, then I go to complete the group of the 110. Now you have to check it 101. Okay, so the 101 the value is 5 and later 100 the value is 1, fractional point as it is. Okay, here and later 101. So 101 the value is 5 and lastly 110. So 110 the value is, so we can say that 15.56 and later we converted to the octal. Okay, so 15.56 to the octal, binary to the octal conversion. And lastly, let's about the question. Okay, kya how we need to complete this question, as we know that we already completed some questions here. So now the last fourth question, that means the question is the consider the binary number 1100 and value is 1, later 001 here and later 1011. That means conversion from binary to the octal. Okay, so the question is the 11001 and 001 and the fractional 1011. As we know that, I think no any problem, as we know that the conversion how we are going to complete. So we can say that in binary to octal conversion, we break the binary digit into a group of 3 bits, correct? No, 3 bits, that means fractional 3. Now just 2 values are there, that means we need to add the 0, correct? No, kya hege 100 1 group ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 bits ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು, 100 3 bit ಇದೆ, 11 now just only we added the value 0, correct? No, kya so 2 bits ittu, now just I added the value, so now I completed the grouping of 3 bit. Okay, kya 3 bit. So for whole number it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB level, necessary of 0 in MSB level kya while representing a fraction. So fraction means you have to move in this manner, correct? No, fractional you have to move in this manner. So 101, that means how many values we need to add? We need to add the value is the 0, correct? No, kya 2 zeros we need to add here. So we can say that we need to move in this manner and here we need to move in this manner. Clear this point here? So that means we need to add the 0 in which side? In our LSB. So we can say that here for whole number it may be necessary to add 0 in MSB level in order to complete a grouping of 3 bit. While representing a fraction, it may be necessary to add 0 in LSB in order to complete a grouping of 3. Now you have to check it. 100. So the 100 value is the, in this case we can say that 100 the value is the 1. Okay, 100 again the value is 110. So 110 the value is 3. Clear this one, fractional as it is. So 001 value is 1, 001 value is 1, 011 the value is 3, 101. Okay, so 101 the value is 5, correct? No, 101 the value is 5 and 100 the value is the 4. Clear this one, the value is the 4 here. So now just we need to convert from our binary to the decimal conversion. So this is the answer. The answer is the 311.54. So clear this one here, 311.54. That means here now just we converted the conversion, that is from the binary to the octal conversion. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.